Italy, Viganella, a small village in Piedmont with only 206 residents, witnessed the installation of a massive mirror on a mountain in 2006 to reflect sunlight, sparking a unique yet unfortunate tale. Nestled in the narrowest part of the Antrona Valley, Viganella faced the challenge of no sunlight reaching the village during winter months until 2006, depriving its citizens of sunshine from November 11th to February 2nd. This condition adversely affected the emotional, psychological, and economic well-being of the villagers. Viganella took the bold step of artificially altering its climatic conditions under the leadership of Mayor Pier Franco Midali, who aimed to restore the 83 days of sunshine lost due to the village's unfavorable location. Despite the complexity of the project, which took 6 years to complete, Viganella's endeavor gained international recognition after being showcased to the world through CNN and the BBC. This heightened global interest led to significant support from various organizations and foundations, raising €99,000 to fund the project. The installation involved a 40-square-meter mirror, 8 meters wide and 5 meters long, positioned at an altitude of 1,100 meters, precisely 997 meters from the village center. Engineered by Emilio Baracco, the mirror follows the laws of physics to maximize efficiency and rotates daily, aligning itself to the east each morning, counteracting Earth's movement around the sun. This innovative project ensures a consistent light source on the village square by harmonizing with the winter solstice, capturing and reflecting sunlight onto Viganella. The project's environmental integrity was another significant accomplishment, as the mirror brought light to areas where nature had failed without causing harm to the surrounding greenery. 17 years later, the project continues to successfully illuminate Viganella, demonstrating its enduring effectiveness and commitment to the village's well-being.